You drive a whole lot safer with a cool head. That's why just about every new car today is fitted with air conditioning systems. They're in some older models too, but unfortunately they're also often smelly. That could be because of fungi and bacteria that take up residence in the warm, moist evaporator unit of the cooling system over the course of time. Air ducts then spread the often unpleasant odours they create throughout the interior of the vehicle. Liqui Moly Klima Fresh is a breath of fresh air. Simple, fast and effective. Positioned in the intake area of the ventilation system, Liqui Moly Klima Fresh destroys fungi and bacteria in the air ducts and on the evaporator with a highly effective mist spray. Simply put the air conditioning on, switch to recirculating air, activate the spray head, close the doors and windows, and within about 10 minutes, the air in your vehicle will be lastingly fresh and clean again. Liqui Moly Klima Fresh. Comfortably better driving.
Liqui Moly, for maintaining your vehicle's technical and optical value. All from a single supplier.